Good morning. I'm going to the Loro Park, taking a train.
So that's the roundabout at my left side. I'm already sat here on this train, and that's the train station. And in front is the church that is overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. Seen over there.
So finally, I'm here at the Loro Park. I'm just entering in. There's a beach over there. And there's beautiful fishes. I'll show you.
There. That's at the right side of the bridge. And over here on the left, so it's left and right. So that's why there's bridge. Because this is what is below. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And there's a waterfalls. Can you see? Waterfalls. And that's where you enter in.
Have you ever been in Bangkok? Amazing. Because when the water,
And there's the bamboo.
then they keep it covered and they are making very strong sound. It's unbelievable. Like first, like you don't know what it is, and there's like, oh, that's actually sound of the.
Hi! So I've just passed by the bridge, and over here are the bamboos. And as you can see on the other side are the beautiful parrots. And over there, these two persons are the founder. So one is Wolfgang, the other one is Bridget Kessling. They are the founder of the Loro Park. The gorilla is hiding. Where are you, gorilla? This is the gorilla. Looking for the gorilla. Hiding inside a cave. Face me. Not facing me. Praise me. Oh, what are you doing? What's going on? Oh, sleeping time. Having a pose. Looking at me. Thank you for looking at me. So 4 gorillas in the zoo. One named Aladdin from Zoo in Tel Aviv. Another one is Obongo from Hanover. And the third is named Rafiki from Zurich, Switzerland. And the other one is called Noel from Monchin La Pamre. Can you see the crane following the keeper? Beautiful crane. Oh, there's plenty of them. There's plenty of them. Can you see? So beautiful. Can you see the head? Philippines is represented by this Kakatua hematuropigia, Palawan, Philippines, which is critically endangered. And another one from Luzon is Priornitorus loconensis, which is endangered. Sleeping tigers.